Today, we will train your English voice to build sentences using gave. In the last grammar point, we had a look at giving instructions with the word give. In this grammar point, we will focus on the result using the word gave. Gave is the past tense of the verb give. So let's have a look at structure A. The instruction gave plus the object it, which is the pronoun, or the, which is the noun, plus somebody. For example, to her. Let's have a look at these examples. Instruction, give it to her. Result, he gave it, the gift, to her. We can also say, he gave the necklace to her, or she gave the book to him. Now let's have a look at structure B. The instruction gave plus somebody, her or him, plus object, it, the pronoun, or the gift, the noun. Instruction, give her the gift. Result, he gave her the gift. Or we can also say, he gave her the necklace. Or she gave him the book. Now, with these sentences, we can also use names of people. For example, Sarah gave John the book. Or John gave Sarah the necklace.